Hey guys, I'm back. We fixed it. Fan switch. Yesterday was 3 days ago. That was broken too. Then I went to the Lowe's, buy a new switch. Like this other video, the ceiling fans and the two bulbs go off and the other bulb go on. You change the switch and the other bulbs, two bulbs come on and the other side was go off and turn on and all the four bulbs is on. So that's the 3-second wires in that different switch. And I just fixed it. It's on high. Some kind of making a bunch of noise. So it's on medium, low, off, high, medium, low. We have high, medium, low, off. Turn it back on high. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe.